Taking data from a web page and linking it to a spreadsheet has never been easier. Here is a website that contains the latest currency rates, xe.com. This data refreshes regularly. What we'd like to do is we'd like to bring it into the spreadsheet. However, it's not laid out exactly the way we'd like it to be. Use Get and Transform to turn it into usable data. Here in Excel, I go to the Data tab. Under Get and Transform, we go in and select that we'd like to get our data from another source from the web. Type in the URL of that page. The Navigator launches. This contains all the objects on that web page that are able to be imported. The table I've selected is the table containing the data that I need. It's there, but it needs a bit of tidying up. So instead of loading it directly into Excel, we'll click the Edit button to launch the Query Editor. Now here in the Query Editor we have the Transform tools. We're going to select the first column and just under the Home tab, remove columns. We also want to remove rows from this data. Every second row isn't necessary for our needs. So we go Remove Rows, Remove Alternate Rows. Now the first row we'd like to remove is the second row, and we just want to remove one row. We then want to keep one row. We click OK. This is the data that we're going to bring into Excel. Bring it back to the spreadsheet, click Close and Load. There is your query sitting here, ready to be connected to any links that we want to make to it. Because this is connected to a website, this data should be updating on a regular basis. If it doesn't appear to be refreshing live, you can go to the Query tab, and on the Query tab you can click the Refresh button and things will update if there's any data to be changed. That is just one example of how to use Get and Transform in Excel 2016.